as usual, we'll begin the class by chanting Omkaram 3 times. So kindly join your hands, close your eyes, and join me for Omkaram. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram sir.
Okay, beta. So let me present my screen. Right. Today we'll have revision of this chapter, and then we'll discuss the questions at the chapter end given exercises. So let me present my screen. So first of all, let me go to Tata class is online. If I ask you, tell me, Arush, what can you see on the screen?
Sir, one
Screen is
figure.
visible and a beaker.
There is a beaker.
Figure
Very
of
good.
a beaker.
Very good, beta. Now listen.
Figure of a
Very
beaker.
carefully. What is explained in this video by Tata classes. Okay, I am starting it.
Separation of mixture. A
Sir,
substance
आवाज बढ़ा
containing more than one pure
सर आवाज
substance
नहीं आ
is
रही
known as a mixture. Mixtures are made up of two or more substances.
Now tell me.
Yes sir, voice is clear.
Sir, voice is clear.
Physically.
Sir,
नो
voice
सर
is
वॉइस
clear.
इज नॉट क्लियर
Yes, beta.
To
Now,
make a mixture,
now
because
please
the two components will not react chemically. The different
let me make it from the beginning. Okay. What happened?
Sir, load हो रहा है.
Is it loading? Let me. What has been done? Yes, sir.
Sir, नेटवर्क अच्छे से नहीं मिल रहा.
No, beta. Please be with me. I'm coming.
Two.
Very good. Very nice. Quickly, I'm coming to you. Okay. Let me start once again. The class is online. The class is online. Okay. Let me log in again.
सर, हम हमारा पर्सनल अकाउंट भी बना सकते हैं.
नहीं बेटा. Okay, 6A science, and I'm coming to my topic. Methods of
सर, मैं टाटा क्लास 8 पे पढ़ता हूँ.
separation. Okay. Yeah. Now listen, beta.
separation of mixtures. A substance containing more than one pure substance is known as a mixture.
Okay. Definition mixture.
Mixtures are made up of two or more substances that have been mixed physically. Iron filings and sand will make a mixture because the two components will not react chemically. The different parts or constituents of a mixture can be separated by physical meaning.
Okay. What happened? What happened, Arush?
सर कोई
Sir,
बोल रहा
screen is
है कि
visible.
वॉइस अच्छे से नहीं आ रही.
ओके बेटा, आ रही है आवाज, अच्छे आ रही है. ठीक है.
सर, आवाज अच्छे से आ रही है.
सर
Okay.
कोई बोल रहा था.
Okay.
Can be
Enjoy.
separated very easily. Let's take a look at a few methods that can be used to separate a mixture when we mix two different solid components such as iron filings and sand. we have a solid-solid mixture. This particular solid-solid mixture can be easily separated. All we need to do is move.
Who will tell me? Arush, which method?
Sir, magnetic separation.
Yes, magnetic separation. Good. See.
To a strong
Sir,
magnet.
because there
हमारा
are ions
मैग्नेटिक
yes,
ऊपर
yes,
एक चैप्टर है
yes,
लास्ट
Magnet will attract the iron filing
Here,
behind
है ना?
the fan.
Sand is left there, iron is attracted to the magnet.
When we add
सर
sand to
हमारा
water,
लास्ट में एक
Yeah. We'll
डिपेंडेंट
discuss
मैग्नेट
it.
फ्री चैप्टर
Listen
है
me. Listen me. We'll discuss all. छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन में पूछूंगा ये पता करने के लिए कि everything is on the track, right? We'll discuss all at the end. Now next one. Second one, solid liquid mixture. That was solid mixture. Now solid liquid mixture, water and sand.
Sure. This solid liquid mixture can be separated through the process of filtration.
Filtration. Now see.
Let's place a piece of filter paper in a funnel and pour our mixture through it. The water will flow through the funnel as a filtrate, leaving behind sand particles inside the funnel as residue. Another solid liquid mixture is salt solution. In this mixture, the salt is the solid which is dissolved in the water. This mixture can be separated using evaporation. If we heat it over a Bunsen burner, the water will eventually begin boiling. As it does, the water will evaporate, leaving only crystallized salt in the beaker. Another method used for separating solid liquid mixtures is distillation.
See better. This is distillation. Distillation complete figure. Distillation going on. This is called condenser. Liebig condenser. Right? In this one, the vapor condenses to form again liquid. Now see how this happens.
Using this process, we can separate the pure water. We need a distillation flask, a condenser, a Bunsen burner, and a collecting flask. To begin, we will pour our salt solution into the distillation flask that is set up over the Bunsen burner. The condenser will be set up so that it joins the distillation flask to the collecting flask. As we slowly heat the flask, our salt solution will begin to boil, causing the water to evaporate. As the water vapor passes through the condenser, it will condense into water drops. The drops of pure water will trickle into the collecting flask, while the salt will be left behind in the distillation flask. Summary. A substance containing more than one pure substance is called a mixture.
Note down. All of you note down this definition of mixture. What is a mixture? Note down, beta. All of you note down. A substance
Yes,
containing more than one pure substance
सर नोटेड
called a mixture. Okay.
sir, noted.
Definition of mixture. And all.
Sir, what is question?
Okay, beta. Define mixture. Question is define mixture. Or what do you mean by mixture? So you have to write down a substance containing more than one pure substance is called a mixture. Remember, and all those pure substances which are present in the mixture are called constituents of the mixture or components of the mixture. Okay, let's go ahead.
Mixtures can be separated using filtration, evaporation, and distillation.
Okay, my dear. So let us come back to my class. So you have seen magnetic separation, distillation, evaporation, condensation, which was included in distillation. And now let us come back to our other methods of separation. It takes longer time to reload. Okay, so let us forget this. Right? Let us come to our own PPT. Can you see this, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me again explain one by one whatever we have studied in this chapter, so that we are ready to answer the questions which are asked. And we have discussed in this chapter different methods of separation. First one we discuss about hand picking. Okay, slide show from current slide. Hand picking. Now you can see hand picking. You know,
Yes, sir.
when impurity is small amount, which we can see with our naked eye, we can pick them with our hand and throw them, right? Second one, we discuss about threshing, right? Threshing is done by the farmer to separate grains from stalk of the wheat or paddy or any crop plant, right? Then we learned about winnowing. Winnowing is the method of separating the grains from husk with the help of wind, right? Actually, when you are having two components in a mixture, one is heavier, other is lighter, which can be carried away by wind, then we can separate the two by using winnowing. Then we discuss about sieving. When we are having mixtures having different size of the components, then we can separate them by sieving. And we choose a sieve whose holes are such that one component will fall down and other will remain in the sieve. Okay, you can see every day before cooking bread, chapati at our house, our mother, our sisters, that sieve the wheat flour or any other flour before cooking it, so that some small stone particles or even coarse flour, which we call chaff, that can be separated. We also use sieving at the construction sites where buildings are being made, some structures are being erected, and there we can get fine sand from coarse sand and pebbles using sieving.
सर ये सीपी वगैरह के लिए होता है
कौन बेटा?
सर ये सीपी सर अक्षत जैन।
अच्छा बेटा, प्लीज, यू ऑल आर गुड स्टूडेंट बेटा। देखो मैंने कितना अच्छा आपको लिखा, यू ऑल आर यंग बडिंग साइंटिस्ट, सो व्हेन वी कैन बिकम दैट इफ वी बिहेव इन अ प्रॉपर वे। फर्स्ट थिंग बेटा, वी हैव टू बिकम अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग, राइट? ओके, गलती सबसे होती है, इंसान से गलती होती है, मगर जो गलतियों को सुधार लेता है वो इंसान से भगवान बन जाता है ना? और हमें हमारी जर्नी वही होनी चाहिए, हम मनुष्य से ऊपर उठें, महामानव बने, है ना? और तभी बन सकते हैं जो हमारे भीतर भगवान ने बहुत सारे गुण दिए हैं, हम उनको अपनाना शुरू करें, है ना? तो हम अच्छे कहलाएंगे, अच्छा ह्यूमन बीइंग, गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग बनना चाहिए बेटा, है ना? चलो, राइट। नेक्स्ट हमने पढ़ा था अबाउट मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन। दिस इज अ मेथड in which we use a magnet. You know, magnet can attract pieces of iron, cobalt, nickel. So if there is in the mixture any magnetic material, we can separate it using a magnet. है ना बेटा? जैसे लैब में आओगे तो आपको हम देंगे मिक्सचर ऑफ आयरन फिलिंग एंड सल्फर। सल्फर का पाउडर होता है पीला पीला, और आयरन फिलिंग लोहे के बुरादे होते हैं, उनको मिला के देंगे या सैंड में मिला देंगे, तो आप इजीली मैग्नेट से मैग्नेट आयरन को सेपरेट कर लोगे, है ना? लेकिन बेटा याद रखो, ये सारे मेथड्स कहाँ किसको लगाएंगे ये याद होना चाहिए, तभी आप आंसर कर पाओगे आगे क्वेश्चंस को। और मल्टीपल मेथड लगाना पड़ेगा कई बार। एक मैं क्वेश्चन दिखाऊंगा लास्ट में, है ना? अभी टाइम कितना हुआ? 15 ना? देखो, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक क्रेन, है ना? ये बड़े बड़े गाड़ियों को भी उठा लेता है ये क्रेन, है ना? यूजिंग द पावर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास करा के हम पावरफुल इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट बना सकते हैं, है ना? Then we have learned about centrifugation. When we rotate a liquid, then what happens? The lighter components come up and heavier components sink at the center, and in this way we can separate. जैसे दूध से हम क्रीम निकालते हैं, that is by centrifugation, in which is called in our language churning of the milk. अभी देखो, आपने देखते हैं अभी दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री रोज अपील करते हैं टीवी पर आके, क्या कहते हैं? प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने के लिए। सुना है आरुष?
यस सर, मैंने
Yes,
सुना।
sir. Yes,
है ना
sir.
बेटा? तो जो प्लाज्मा, हाँ,
सर क्योंकि प्लाज्मा से है ना वहाँ के कोरोना मरीज ठीक हो रहे हैं।
वेरी गुड, कोरोना मरीज को हम दे सकते हैं और वो भी ठीक हो जाते हैं। तो जो प्लाज्मा सेपरेट करते हैं ना बेटा ब्लड से, दैट इज बाय
Of
सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन।
blood equals plasma.
हाँ बेटा, वो सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन से ही सेपरेट करते हैं। ब्लड में दो पार्ट है, एक लिक्विड पार्ट है ना, और एक है हमारे ब्लड में सेल्स होते हैं। दो पार्ट ब्लड को बांटते हैं हम, है ना। द लिक्विड पार्ट ऑफ द ब्लड इज कॉल्ड प्लाज्मा, एंड देन जो आपका सेल्स हैं, दे आर थ्री टाइप्स, यू नो, आरबीसी, डब्ल्यूबीसी एंड प्लेटलेट्स, राइट। तो उसको भी हम सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन से ही सेपरेट करते हैं बेटा। चर्निंग ऑफ मिल्क, यू नो दैट।
स्कूल के बच्चे तो बन गए
नेक्स्ट नो बेटा, प्लीज डू नॉट टॉक, ओनली डिस्कस विद मी, लिसन। ओके बेटा, विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन।
और जे तो वो काम की हुआ जे अच्छे
All
बच्चे
of you,
काम की
all of you mute yourself, everybody.
बड़े बड़े मैच
Gauri and all, please mute. All of you mute बेटा। Next we should about sedimentation and decantation. Okay बेटा, please listen. You all are good students. Sedimentation and decantation, right? ये the method of settling down insoluble components in a liquid is called sedimentation. And after sedimentation, we pour out clear liquid very slowly without disturbing the sediment, is called condensation. You can see this is sedimentation, this is decantation, right beta? Then we learned about loading. We can make faster sedimentation using a piece of alum, which is called loading. Then learned about filtration, just now also explained. Then we learned about evaporation, just now explained. Condensation, what happened beta? Who is there? Condensation.
म्यूट नहीं है।
Okay बेटा, बाकी लोग म्यूट रखो।
माइक म्यूट नहीं है।
Okay, अखिल म्यूट कर लेगा बेटा, आप लोग म्यूट कर लो सभी लोग। Others please mute. Condensation, the process of changing of vapor back into its liquid is called condensation, but you have to cool the vapor. Then we learn distillation. It is a combination of both evaporation and condensation. Now learn beta. Solution. What is a solution? A solution is a mixture of two substances. Okay, and one part of the solution is called solute, other is called solvent. Okay.
Sir, or the mixture of solute and solvent called solution.
Yeah. In the
Solution.
Yes sir.
two components of solution are there: solvent and solute. SOLUT and solvent. Okay, beta. अब solution, types of solution. See, saturated solution. Saturated solution, a solution in which no more substance can be dissolved. ये कौन बातें कर रहा है भाई? Let me stop sharing.
सर अखिल के यहाँ से डिस्टर्ब आ रहा है।
Let me find out.
अखिल माइक म्यूट कर ले।
अखिल, what happened बेटा?
सर आप उसका माइक
म्यूट करो बेटा। अखिल शर्मा।
सर वो सुन नहीं रहे।
All of you please mute first. Akhil Sharma, mute your mic बेटा। Others please, आप लोग म्यूट रखो बेटा। अखिल म्यूट रखो। अखिल, mute your mic। Akhil, what is he doing here? Akhil, mute your mic।
सर आप माइक म्यूट कर दीजिए।
Mute yourself बेटा।
कहेगा नहीं, आप कर दीजिए।
मुझे करना पड़ेगा। अखिल,
सर आप ही कर दीजिए, वो नहीं कर रहा।
mute yourself अखिल।
कहेगा नहीं, आप कर दीजिए।
लकी ढूंढवाई
अखिल, ये चला गया लगता है, चालू कर लो।
सर वो सुन ही नहीं रहा।
Okay, I have muted him.
मैम
Okay बेटा, So today we'll discuss the questions also. Let me show you the question. Hello, beta. This is your science book. Can you see it, Gaurick?
Yes, sir.
Good. So these are the questions. But before that, I want you to share two things, beta, which I forgot to share yesterday in the last period. One, you already know about saturated solution, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is called saturated solution. Right, beta? And then we know that the solution in which more substances can be dissolved at the same temperature is called an unsaturated solution. And there is another one. Note down this: super saturated solution. Note down, all of you. Super saturated solution. A solution in which more solute is dissolved than is necessary to make a solution is called a super saturated solution. सैचुरेटेड होने के बाद भी अगर हम उस सॉल्यूशन को ठंडा कर दें तो मोर सॉल्यूट विल अपीयर एट द बॉटम. राइट बेटा, है ना? It can be prepared by heating a saturated solution, adding more solute and then cooling it gently. Right? जैसे आपको बनाना चाहते हो, क्या करना घर में? आज आधा गिलास पानी लेना, उसमें नमक डालते जाना, डिजॉल्व करते जाना. एक टाइम आएगा then the salt will stop dissolving. Now you gently heat this. या गर्म पानी में गिलास को डुबा के रखना. आप देखोगे फिर से वापस सारा डिजॉल्व हो गया. फिर थोड़ा और नमक डालो, फिर डिजॉल्व होने लगेगा. राइट? अब उसको ठंडा होने दो. ठंडा होना, जल्दी ठंडा करना है तो फ्रिज में रख देना, अदरवाइज ऐसे ठंडा हो जाएगा. इसके बाद आप देखोगे कि जो सॉल्ट आपने डाला था, जो डिजॉल्व हो गया था, वो वापस बाहर निकल आएगा सॉल्यूशन में. राइट? दिस इज कॉल्ड सुपर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. ओके माय डियर? Now say, all of you look at your book.
Okay, sir.
See question number 1. Arush, read the question, beta.
Sir, may I read?
Yes.
Sir, may I read?
Yeah.
We need to separate different components of a mixture. Give two examples.
Yeah. So answer you may write down in different way also. है ना? We need to separate different components of mixture so that we get two different as well as useful substances from that. Sometimes we also remove impurities or harmful components from the mixture. नहीं बेटा? We also remove non-useful components. As for example, we can see that we remove tea leaves, boiled tea leaves from the liquid tea before sipping it, which is unwanted, which is not useful, which is maybe harmful if we consume that. नहीं बेटा? Similarly, from the grains, we remove husk and small pieces of stone, etc. That is also, है ना? Next question देखो. What is winnowing? Where is it used? We all know. Define लिख देंगे. Winnowing is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. It is generally used by the farmers. Mostly farmer use करता है. इसके लिए to remove husk particles from the heavier grains. Okay. Question number 3. How will you separate husk or dirt particles from a given sample of pulses before cooking? And that we can do by sedimentation and decantation.
Question 3 का full answer बता दो.
इसका बेटा?
Sir, question 3 का full answer नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ, full answer नहीं दिख रहा है. Stop sharing or hide. And now you can see.
Yes, sir.
It is very important to wash the pulses with water before cooking them. When we wash the pulses, the dirt particles present on the pulses being lighter float with water, while the pulses being heavier settle down. This is called sedimentation. And then we do decantation. Then from with water, dirt particles also go out. है ना? Next, question number 4. What is sieving? Where is it used? Sieving is a method in which the fine particles pass through the holes of the sieve, while the bigger impurities remain on the sieve. People use sieving method in their homes to separate impurities like stone, husk, and dirt particles from flour while cooking. It is also used at construction sites to separate sand from small stones. Okay. Question number 5. How will you separate sand? Sand. Okay. Read it.
Sir, may I read the answer?
एक बेटा एक आरुष को करने दो ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप याद करना है ना. नेक्स्ट बोलो बेटा.
How will you separate sand and water from their mixture?
Yeah, now listen, we can do it by two methods. One is filtration. Right, beta? We can do by filtration, in which in the process the mixture of water and sand is poured on a strainer or on a filter paper. Water will slowly pass through the pores of the filter paper, whereas sand will be left on the filter paper. Right? Or we can use the two methods together. This is called sedimentation and decantation. Right? We can allow this mixture to settle down undisturbed for some time. Right? Sand particles being heavier will settle down at the bottom of the container, whereas clear water will come on the top. And by decantation, we can pour out clear water and sand will be left in the container. Right, beta? Is it possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? So by sieving we can do it. Because
Sir, may I read the answer?
sugar particles.
Sir, may I read the answer?
Okay, beta, pardon.
Sir, may I read the answer?
Yeah. You read.
May I?
Yes,
It is possible to separate sugar that is mixed with wheat flour. This can be done by the sieving method by passing the mixture of sugar and wheat flour through a sieve. Fine particles of wheat flour can easily pass through the holes of sieve, whereas the bigger particles of sugar will retain on the sieve itself.
Okay. अच्छा, अगर यहाँ पर बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कर दिया जाए कि सुगर इज पाउडर्ड ऑल्सो, व्हीट फ्लोर इज पाउडर्ड, सुगर भी पाउडर कर दें, देन कैन वी यूज सीविंग?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No,
Then by
sir.
which method? Then by which method? अगर शुगर को पाउडर करके मिला दें तब क्या करेंगे, कैसे निकालेंगे, दोनों कलर करेंगे?
सर वो शायद से सीविंग से ही होगा.
फिल्ट्रेशन से?
Sir, filtration.
नहीं होगा बेटा फिल्ट्रेशन से. कैसे होगा फिल्ट्रेशन से? पानी मिलाओगे, आटा भी गीला हो जाएगा और कुछ बहुत सारा चीनी भी उसके अंदर चला जाएगा, है ना?
सर तो वो सिर्फ सीविंग से ही हो सकता है.
सीविंग से नहीं कर पाएंगे ना, बहुत सारा पाउडर, तो कितना छोटा पार्टिकल रखोगे, सीव का साइज दोनों नीचे गिर जाएगा.
सर बॉइलिंग
बॉइलिंग से भी नहीं होगा बेटा. देखो व्हीट फ्लोर,
Decantation.
सुनो मेरी बात.
Decantation.
सुगर इज हेवियर देन
Water.
नहीं बेटा, चीनी भारी होता है, आटा हल्का होता है, तो हम विनोइंग कर सकते हैं. विनोइंग करेंगे ना तो आटा उड़ के थोड़ी दूर चला जाएगा और शुगर का जो बारीक पाउडर है वो नीचे गिरेगा सीधा, है ना? देन वी कैन डू विनोइंग. बट राइट नाउ यहाँ याद रखो, पाउडर शुगर नहीं दिया हुआ है, शुगर क्रिस्टल्स हैं, सो वी कैन यूज बाय सीविंग. गुड. नेक्स्ट है, हाउ वुड यू ऑब्टेन क्लियर वाटर फ्रॉम अ सैंपल ऑफ मडी वाटर? सो वी कैन डू इट.
Sir, may I read the answer?
नो
May I read the answer?
Sir, may I read the question? Sir, may I read the answer?
Sir, may I read the answer?
Nobody. Please, all of you, mute.
Sir, may I read?
No one will read now. Mute everybody. देखो बेटा, clear water can be obtained from a muddy water by sedimentation and decantation, but sometimes sedimentation के बाद भी कुछ lighter particles उसमें लटके रह जाते हैं. Then we do loading, or the other method is what? By filtration. The best method is filtration. By filtration, the mud will be separated from muddy water. So clear water from muddy water can be separated by the method of filtration. Filtration method can be done by using a piece of cloth of fine pores or a filter paper. When we pass muddy water through any such filtering medium, only mud particles are settled back as they are heavier particles. Okay. Next one, fill in the blanks. The method of separating seeds. Book देखो अपना. The method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalk is called threshing.
Threshing.
Okay.
Sir, which page number?
Page number. Okay, let me show you the page number. Page number is
सर 44.
yes beta, page number 44. Question number 8 है ना? When milk cooled after boiling is poured onto a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind. This process is called filtration. B में आंसर क्या होगा? Filtration. So let me show you the PPT. There you can find, right, the answer in a bigger font. Filtration. Salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation.
Evaporation.
सर पानी उड़ जाता है और सैंड और सॉल्ट नीचे ही रह जाता है.
वाटर उड़ जाता है और सॉल्ट रह जाता है क्योंकि वो हैवी होता है.
नहीं, वो सॉल्ट डिजॉल्व रहता है पहले, बट ओनली वाटर इवेपोरेट्स एंड सॉल्ट इज लेफ्ट देयर. Impurities settle at the bottom, then muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example of decantation. है ना? True or false? A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. False. B. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. No. तो पाउडर सॉल्ट है ना, एंड शुगर दोनों मिला हुआ है, दोनों बराबर हैवियर होता है, इसलिए एक भी हल्का एक भारी होता तो हो जाता हमारा, दोनों इक्वली हैवियर हैं. सेपरेशन ऑफ शुगर
और अगर
कैन बी डन विद फिल्ट्रेशन. नो. फॉल्स. ग्रेन एंड हस्क कैन बी सेपरेटेड विद द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिकेंटेशन. फॉल्स.
सर वो विनोइंग की मदद से होगा.
करना पड़ेगा यहाँ. Okay.
Sir, winnowing.
Next, this question we have discussed earlier also. Lemonade is prepared, right, by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? So answer will be the solubility of any substance decreases when the temperature decreases. We all know that. When we add ice to the lemon juice, the temperature of it decreases. Thus, it becomes difficult to dissolve sugar into ice.
ये भी क्वेश्चन करना है नोटबुक में.
Yes, yes.
मैम सर ये सारे क्वेश्चंस लिखना है.
हाँ लिखना है. Yes. Thus, ice should be added.
एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन भी.
Question. Now, extra question. Note down कर लो ये. इसका आंसर भी लिख लेना आप.
सर यहाँ पर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन की स्पेलिंग गलत है.
हाँ दिख गया मुझे. अब सही हो गया.
यस सर, अब सही है.
यस सर.
ऐसा आना चाहिए.
Correct. Extra questions. Question number 1. You are given a mixture of sand, salt, and iron fillings. How will you separate each component of this mixture? Explain the process along with level diagrams. So you will have to use multiple method of separation. Okay. Describe करना है. 5 marks question है. एग्जाम में जरूर आएगा ये, है ना? कर लोगे?
यस सर, कर लेंगे.
हाँ. Next question.
सर कर देंगे.
Define. You have to write the definition of all these. Solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, super saturated solution, solubility, filtration, sedimentation, decantation, loading, pressing, winnowing, sieving, magnetic separation, and picking, evaporation, condensation, and distillation. Okay?
ओके सर.
Good. Okay.
सर आपने कुछ नहीं लिखवाई. सर सॉल्युबिलिटी डेफिनेशन आपने नहीं लिखवाई.
नहीं लिखवाए. अच्छा अभी लिख लो आप. सॉल्युबिलिटी देखो. सॉल्युबिलिटी ये क्या लिखा है देखो. सॉल्युबिलिटी द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस which can be dissolved in 100 grams of water at a given temperature is called solubility of that substance in water. Got it?
यस सर.
यस सर.
ओके. वीडियो से देख के लिख लेना अगर छूट रहा होगा तो, है ना? So let me stop presenting. I think. Let me stop presenting. and come back here.
तो सॉल्ट और सैंड को कैसे हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं?
Salt and sand.
सर
Okay, listen. First of all, we'll take in a beaker water and we'll add the mixture of salt and sand in that and we'll stir it. Right? You will find that we all know that salt is soluble, so it will dissolve in water, but take enough water, not small amount of water. Right, beta? And now we will do filtration. So on filtration, sand will be removed as residue on the filter paper, and clear water will contain mixture of salt and water, salty water. And now we'll do evaporation. We'll take the mixture in a small container like China dish and start heating. On heating,
Yes, sir.
water will evaporate and salt will be left in the container. In this way, we have separated sand and salt.
यस सर.
You have to draw the diagrams.
Okay, sir.
You have to draw the diagrams of all the methods.
Okay,
मैंने
sir.
सारे
ओके सर.
सर मैंने सारे
diagram
methods
कौन-कौन
की
से
drawing
बनाने
बनाई
हैं?
है.
Any other question?
सर मैंने भी
diagram
सारे
कौन-कौन से
डायग्राम और
बनाने
फिगर की
हैं?
ड्राइंग बनाई है.
Diagrams, all diagrams बेटा.
सर मैंने भी खुद
मैंने
बनाई है.
डायग्राम्स और फिगर्स सारे चैप्टर की
diagram
बनाई
दिए
है.
सब बनाना है बेटा. और साथ में क्वेश्चन आंसर लेसन में ड्रॉ डायग्राम बनाना है आपको है.
ओके सर. थैंक यू एंड साईराम सर.
Okay बेटा. Listen first. Any other question?
Thank you and Sairam sir.
Listen बेटा.
सर नो क्वेश्चन.
थैंक यू एंड सायम सर.
हाँ. अखिल
सर
शर्मा.
नो क्वेश्चन.
सर नो क्वेश्चन.
थैंक यू एंड सर सर.
सायराम सर.
सायरा
सर
बेटा.
और डाउट क्लियर.
सर समरी भी लिखना है.
हाँ?
सर समरी भी लिखना है. समरी भी लिखना है.
Yes. समरी भी लिखना है.
सर सब लेफ्ट हो गए.
ठीक है. शांति पाठ तो कर लो.
सर अगर पहले समरी
लो शांति पाठ. शांति शांति शांति. साईराम.
साईराम सर.
Any question?
थैंक यू एंड साईराम सर.
I think you have no question now. Very good.